Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chris, the Largo dude. I'm on my way to the Florida Everglades, where I will be flying my two mini drones, the DJI Mini 2 and the Autel Nano Plus. Today I'm gonna compare two drones that I own, the DJI Mini 2 and the Autel Nano Plus. There are plenty of videos out there comparing them because they're in the similar category, but I haven't seen one in full sunlight. Most of the videos I've seen are on the gray, wintry north, and I'm gonna take advantage that I'm here in South Florida to show you how it really looks in the summer. Okay guys, I just tried to fly the Nano Plus and I got like a mandatory firmware upgrade. I'm in the middle of the Everglades and I'm doing it, it's going slow. Let me show you. I could not get the message out of the screen. It pretty much forced me to do it. 53%. God. Almost there. The moment of truth. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.